Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. In today's video, I'll be showing you Zalo how to change language. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change the language with Zalo, what you can do is simply head over and open up your Zalo app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the me icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside your profile page, on the top right corner you'll be seeing your gear icon. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside, what you need to do is just simply scroll down until you find the theme and language option. Then once you're inside, simply tap on it. And now once you're inside here, you'll be getting the option that says language, and on the language you can find the option that says change language. Then just simply tap on that, and now here you can choose the language that you want to apply. And once you select it, the selected language will be applied to your Zalo home screen or app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.